Hello and welcome to Universal Grip. We are the world's largest in-stock supplier of grips and fixtures for universal testing machines. We also sell accessories like video extensometers, and that's exactly what we're going to show today. We're going to be doing an unboxing of the video extensometer from Universal Grip. So this video extensometer can fit onto any universal testing machine. So let's go ahead and unbox this, pull everything out, and then we'll go through each component. All right. So this is the main module here. It includes the camera and the lighting unit. All right, so we have everything out of the main box here. So this is just a microfiber cleaning cloth. Not too interesting there. This is the calibration plate. So this is important because it helps you to calibrate the system. So you see here there's three larger circles. And what you'll do is you'll place this in front of the camera to do the automatic calibration. What it's going to do, it's going to measure the distance between each dot. And you can see here it's an 8mm distance from center to center. So this is the calibration plate. Don't lose this. This is the main module here. So you can see the camera and the lens cap. So I can go ahead and take that off. And you can see it here. And then this is the fully integrated light stack along here. Now if we look at the back, we can see all of the plugs. So this system is actually run on PoE, power over Ethernet. So the power from the Ethernet will plug in here. This is your DC input output. This is to help to control the machine. So when you hook this up to the universal testing machine, your I/O box is going to connect right here. This is the power for the camera, this blue one. And then this white one is the light relay switch. So this will be used to turn the light on and off. If you don't want to use the relay, you can just leave the light on. So it's just always on when the system is on. So this is the main module for the video extensometer. Everything is included inside of this. Camera, lens, lighting, everything all together. And then here we have the cables and accessories box. So this first box has two USB sticks. One is the install stick, which has all of the manuals and installation drivers, everything you're going to need to install this onto your PC. And then this second one is the license key. So this is going to have all your licenses on board. You're going to need to have this plugged into the PC when you're running the system. It basically unlocks the system for you. So there's two USBs there. The next thing I'm going to pull out is the USB adapter. So since you have to use multiple USBs, we also ship it with this 4-in-1 adapter, and then this is powered with a USB-C plug right on the end here. So this will bump up your USB 3.0 sockets. And that's important because you're going to need a USB 3.0 to take in the camera data. This here is just an extra lens cap in case you lose the one that's already included. Next, we will pull out the PoE power box. So this powers in with a computer power cable. So you're probably familiar with this. You've probably seen one of these before. Same thing that powers the back of a PC. So that just goes in here, and then it splits your PoE, which will go to the system to power the system, and then your local area network or Ethernet cable, which will go to your computer. All right, and next we have the main cable bundle. So this is a bundle of multiple cables. And it's pretty easy to use because one side very obviously goes into the back of the module. So this is your Ethernet, your power for the camera, and then your power for the light relay switch. Remember, they were white, blue, and then the Ethernet one. And I'll just grab the module here so you can see. So you just power it in. Basically, the white one goes in there, the black one goes here, and then the blue one goes here. Pretty straightforward. And then the other side of this cable bundle is what's going to be going into your PC. So you have your Ethernet. This is actually going to go into the power box to power it. And then this is the USB for the camera. This is going to be bringing in the data from the camera into your computer. And then this USB 2.0, the white one, this is going to control the light relay box. Basically allow you to turn the light on and off. So that's pretty much it. All of the instructions for the installation are going to be included on the USB, and then you can also contact Universal Grip if you need more info on the installation or need to do any troubleshooting. But essentially you just have your cable bundle, the main module here. So this can attach to a tripod, or we can also make it with a articulating arm that can connect right to the side of the machine, to the side of the tensile tester, so you can aim it right on the sample. And then the PoE splitter, which just powers up here, splits the PoE and the Ethernet. Power cable. You have your USB install and license key right there. USB 3.0 splitter, 4-in-1. And then the calibration plate. So with that, you have the full setup. If you have any questions on the video extensometer, you can contact us at universalgripco.com. And this can be used as a standalone device, so not connected to the testing machine at all, or you can integrate it fully into the UTM. So if you have any questions on integration or the different setup you need, give us a ring, or you can also send a message through our website. Thanks for watching and have a great day.